Welcome all to Off the Cuff with Namrata. Hope you all are having a wonderful weekend. और मैं ये कुछ चंद लाइंस मैंने लिखी हैं जो मेरी गेस्ट हैं आज के। मैंने फरिश्तों को तो कभी देखा नहीं, लेकिन उस औरत को देखा है जो दर्द को सहलाती है, कितने बेजुबान की ढाल बन जाती है, अपने परों को काटकर उनकी उड़ान बन जाती है। I do have the incredible Manvi Rai here with me today, and I'm so humbled to be talking to her. Manvi, welcome to Off the Cuff.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm speechless with what you've said. Thank you.
नहीं, आपका काम ही ऐसा है कि that's just wonderful what you're doing. And a little bit about Manvi. She's a social activist, animal rescuer, and a compassionate being. Her name truly defines her life, a woman with humanity. Manvi Rai's journey towards animal rescue is a story of fortitude and empathy. Her commitment to helping stray dogs has not only sparked reform and brought attention to the significance of small acts, but also led to a massive personal transformation, leading her to reconsider her priorities and pursue her true purpose in life. Yeah, yeah, no worries, no worries. And I've been following you on your social media, and it is difficult to watch, these animals in such condition. And I've seen the innate love that you show to them, and you just go with your bare hands and you pick them up, चाहे वो जिस condition में भी हो, disease, no disease, cuts, bruises, a lot of things are, I have to say that humans unfortunately do to these voiceless beings. You've done so much already, Manvi, but any story or any case that has, made you shudder?
Many.
Okay.
Um, there's been an acid attack case. There's been rape cases. Certain cases that have been abandoned have also broken my heart. Um, rape. The two rape cases that I always talk about. Um, you know, उनका तो सोच के आज भी दिल दुखता है because as I always say that we can speak, we can say we are depressed, we can go to a psychiatrist. I'm not saying that it should happen to any human also, but in a dog's case now, I know that one of the victims I have, rape victim, was raped by men, female dog raped by men. She's still a trauma patient, and initially she was quite traumatized. Now imagine if she was not rescued and she was on the streets and she would have kept barking at people and काटती, तो कौन उसको समझता? कोई था समझने वाला? कुत्ते के लिए तो बोल दिया जाता पागल है और उसको मार देते लोग. A dog, can never voice the history, what's happened to them. Acid attack as well. Kuch nahi samajh aaya. The dog was just sleeping on the street and someone threw acid and ran away. I have paralyzed cases I've picked up from the streets, and one of them really, really hurts me. Her name is Sherni because I wanted her to live like a sher. And till date, she hasn't forgotten her family. She cries for them. With those paralyzed legs, she runs to the gate. She still wants to run out. And I tell her every day, बेटा तेरा कोई नहीं है बाहर, यही तेरा घर है. And लोग कहते हैं कि ये menace है. इनका तो प्यार ही इतना सच्चा है. Look at that baby. She's abandoned. She's paralyzed. She's still wanting her family. The family that threw her middle of the night.
I know. So I don't know, like,
I'm gonna
we say, oh, आदमी जानवर को हम एक दर्जा देते हैं, and हम अपने अपने आप को बहुत ऊंचा दर्जा देते हैं because we have a brain and we have a voice, you know. But I feel, look at the love that these animals carry. So what have you learned about human psychology while doing this work?
I don't think humans actually know what true love is. I think everything is a calculation. Even in today's date, whether it's career, whether it's relationships, in everything, human mind always thinks selfishly. There is no way a marriage will not have, happen without a checklist. ये है, ये है, ये है, ये है. There's a proper matchmaking done. Is it really love? When, I mean, I hope I don't hurt anyone's feelings, but even when people have kids, उनकी एक उम्मीद बनती है आगे जाके हमारे बच्चे हमारे लिए ये करेंगे. बच्चों की माँ बाप से उम्मीद है कि मेरे को ये चाहिए. If I want this, otherwise they throw tantrums, there are fights. Where is the pure, honest relationship which today everyone talks about 100% samarpan without calculation? Just giving. The art of living is art of giving. Do we humans really have that? Humans don't know coexistence at all. I have 100 children living in the shelters, animals, कुत्ते. उनकी आपस में बनती है. वो प्यार से रहते हैं. उनको मिलजुल के खाना खाना आता है. एक दूसरे के रिलीजन, कास्ट, क्रीड, पढ़ाई, ऊंच नीच, पैसा मेरे बच्चे नहीं डिस्कस करते. मेरे बच्चे स्कूल नहीं गए मगर मेरे बच्चे घड़ी के हिसाब से चलते हैं. My kids are perfect. They wake up at the same time. They have their food at the same time. Animals are way superior to us, even though they don't have this human consciousness. जिसकी arrogance है हमें. Human consciousness was given to us so that we are caretakers. That's real power. When you take care of species that are dependent on you, that are weaker, when humans, which we have done from centuries untold, we've only used them and abused them. So मैं तो आज की डेट में एक इंसान को और जानवर को कंपेयर करना भी नहीं पसंद करती. मेरे लिए तो जानवर ईश्वर है. ये ईश्वर है. बिकॉज इनके जो भी इमोशंस हैं वो प्योर है. ये जिसके भी साथ है सच्चाई से है, बिना किसी लेन देन के.
I know. You left me speechless here. I can't add anything else. Exactly right. Yeah. So, Manavi, about, see, what about the adoption percentage? I know you get a lot of animals there, and so adoption का क्या process है? कैसे लोग आपसे, how can they contact you or help you in that way? And main things, about India, because I've lived in and grown up in India and studied there, so I know, that there is so much of still in illiteracy है, food insecurity है, poverty है. Migrant workers आते हैं अपने गांव से, and they again urbanization की problem है. There's a lot of homelessness anyways, so people are saying what do we, humans की अगर ऐसा है situation, how can people be more aware and empathize with the situation of animals who are stray, and how can they help in small things, random acts of kindness also, like अगर बड़े काम नहीं कर सकते तो छोटे कैसे काम से वो कर.
See, even simple things. अब जैसे दिल्ली की गर्मी बर्दाश्त के बाहर हो जाएगी. इंडिया में बहुत गर्मी पड़ेगी. आप एक पानी का बोल रखते हैं अपने घर के बाहर, एंड आपके घर के बाहर अगर थोड़ी सी जगह एक छोटा सा शेड बना, एक गत्ते का डब्बा ही रख दिया धूप से बचने के लिए, उसमें डॉग बैठ जाए. हम लोग तो एसीज में बैठे होते हैं, एंड सर्दियां आ गई, एक छोटी सी बोरी डाल दी बाहर, अपना पुराना मैट, पुराना कंबल. ये छोटी छोटी acts of kindness. And if you want to do a bit more, then of course get them vaccinated, dewormed, इनके ऑपरेशंस कराइए ताकि ये बेचारे भी सड़कों पे गाड़ियों के नीचे आके सोचने की बात है कि हम बोलते हैं कि ये मेनेस है, ये सड़क का कुत्ता है. किसी ने इनसे पूछ के देखा क्या ये इस तरह जीना चाहते हैं, या इनकी जिंदगी कभी जी के देखी है? हमें तो टेक्नोलॉजी समझ आती है, हमें तो पता है गाड़ी क्या है, मोटरसाइकिल का क्या है, मगर ये इनोसेंट बच्चे जो दिन रात सड़कों पे भाग रहे हैं अपना खाना ढूंढने के लिए, कभी हॉर्न सुन रहे हैं, कभी गाड़ी से टक्कर खा रहे हैं, उनसे पूछिए उनके लिए ये मॉन्स्टर्स क्या है.
Yeah.
So I think sterilizations is very important. And one thing that I want to tell people is that, we only need 5 to 6% of our total Indian population to adopt dogs from the streets, Indian dogs, and you won't see dogs on the streets. So what amazes me is that India में क्या अभी भी 5 से 6% लोग भी नहीं है जो इन्हें गोद लेना चाहे. धीरे धीरे डॉग अडॉप्शन में भी it's become a status symbol and fashions की तरह बदलते हैं. There was a time when people were really fond of labs and German shepherds. Then it became we want to get pit bulls and we want to get Rottweilers. Now we want to get Shih Tzu, we want to get Husky. Really, again, humans are so calculative and everything is done for status, for show. Is that really being a dog lover? No. So I think I request and urge people to adopt these children, give someone a home who really needs a home, especially because breeding in India is another really unethical world. It's done in a very inhumane way. So when you're buying a puppy of 40-50,000 from a breeder, you are actually you're supporting one of the most ruthless industries in India. One should not do that. And as for adopting from us, we are just a message away. I've got kids adopted in US and Canada as well. Thankfully, our adoption rate has been quite good because of the high following. But otherwise, I think the hardest part of my work is getting an Indian dog adopted, especially if it's a female. People still have, this notion that female nahi adopt karni, female gandi hoti hai. And my kids are woken up. I have 3 at home. So yeah, and people should come forward and adopt because people do ask me, आपको कैसे सपोर्ट करें? तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि पैसे से भी ज्यादा ये एक बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट है क्योंकि वक्त के साथ तादाद बढ़ती जा रही है संस्था पे भी. तो जब आप किसी को घर देते हैं, मैं किसी बहुत नीडी बच्चे को घर दे पाती हूँ. Blind, paralyzed, accidental case, deaf child. तो वहां मुझे बहुत बड़ी मदद मिलती है कि एक बच्चे को अच्छा घर मिल गया, अब मैं किसी और को वो जगह दे सकती
So true, so true. Listeners, if you are listening to this interview, I will say please get in touch with me, I do have Manvi's number. I can, share that number with you. Anyway, Manvi, people can help you fundraise here or donate. Where can they do that?
Absolutely. I do have a charity account in India. They can support, as I said, it's Langar and Seva, but only if they have an Indian account. I'm still 6 months away from getting, eligible for FCRA, which is foreign funding. And but if they have that trust, of course, I can still accept foreign funding into my personal account. But charity को ही अगर भेजना है, तो वो फिर इंडिया किसी के थ्रू प्राउड करके मुझे देना पड़ेगा. And otherwise, it's even more easy if you want to send something through Amazon for my children. Food is one thing which is a constant. वो तो हमेशा ही जरूरत है. Medicines, food, pee pads, leashes, collars. There's so much that is required on a daily basis. So, of course, and उससे भी ज्यादा दिल से कह रही हूँ, blessings and prayers. It's not easy for a woman in India to do this work, and especially when she's ostracized by that welfare community. So send me prayers for my kids so that I can do more, achieve more, and I can give a better life to more kids. That's my sole purpose in life.
Manvi, like, I've seen so much of your work, and, everybody has, and like you're saying, uh, you're a brave heart, and we all have grown up in India. We've seen the patriarchy, and we've seen that, uh, you know, uh, challenges that a woman faces, and especially the work you are doing, going into spaces and places which could be the most dangerous. And not just that, and like you're, giving these voiceless beings a second chance, which is so wonderful, and always in gratitude for the work you're doing. एक मेरे ध्यान वैसे तो आई नो योर पर्पस इज ऑलवेज फुलफिल्ड बाय द वर्क यू आर डूइंग, पर जब आप खाली बैठते, बिकॉज यू टोल्ड मी, नम्रता, कॉल मी एट मिडनाइट बिकॉज दिस इज माय द मी टाइम आई हैव, पर अगर मी टाइम में व्हाट डू यू डू, व्हाट एनीथिंग दैट यू लाइक टू डू अदर देन think about these your children?
My me time has also become their time. I have three
Oh,
kids at home.
okay.
So sometimes I feel very bad that because जैसे आज ही मैंने 7 रेस्क्यूज करे हैं, तो वो भागा दौड़ी में इन बेचारों के साथ मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता. 3 है मेरे पास, काजू किशमिश बादाम and come here बादाम.
Hi, let me see. Oh, cutie
और
pie.
हाँ
बादाम है ये?
जी, ये बादाम है
Hi,
क्योंकि ये
बादाम.
बात नहीं देखो.
Hi. Hello. You are gorgeous, बादाम. मामा की गोद में तो और must be. So
Yes,
cute.
so
Yeah.
इनके साथ टाइम बिताती हूँ. एंड मुझे कभी कभार अगर थोड़ा वक्त मिलता है तो माय DMs आर completely jammed,
Oh,
Facebook and Instagram.
yeah.
So I try to go through them also if there's really a case that needs me. कोशिश होती है कि जवाब दूं, पर हाँ मी टाइम अब यही है, रात को इनके साथ वक्त बिताना. एंड रील्स देख लेना. अब रील्स हैं. But I get very little time
Yes.
to myself, very very little, but when I get, I like to spend with these three,
Okay. Okay.
or sit with my brother, chat with him.
Absolutely. It was an honor talking to you, Manvi. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time. I know, you're always being wanted, and आई थिंक अगर जिंदगी हो तो आप जैसी हो, और आप जैसी बना मैं तो कहती हूँ वी कैन ओनली, आई कांट इवन इमेजिन, एंड से जस्ट बी थैंकफुल फॉर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. ट्रूली इन ग्रैटिट्यूड टू यू. एंड मैं सारा आपके लिंक्स वगैरह डाल दूंगी. आई होप whoever reaches, I will get in touch with you, as far your personal account is concerned or whatever. And yeah, if I'm in Delhi sometime, I will try to get hold of you. Thank you.
You'll really like the place, and आपको इतना थैंक यू बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी मुझे. I should be the only one saying thank you to you. Thank you for inviting me, and I hope this episode can change a few more hearts towards these kids. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Manvi. Good night. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good night. You too. Thank you.
Bye, listeners.
Bye. You want to see Kaju and Kishmish?
हाँ जरूर. Let me just stop the
अभी
recording.
भी दिखा
नहीं,
दूं?
ले आओ उनको भी ले आओ. I'm
मतलब
still recording.
इसी कॉल पे दिखा दूं?
हाँ, why not?
Okay.
Such love, cute names, I have to say. काजू किशमिश बादाम. अब के
पूरे राजा
नेक्स्ट
है.
वाला पिस्ता होगा. ओह,
Pista is on a shelter में है. This is
हाय
Kaju with
बेबी.
nose.
ओह माय गॉड.
ये
सो
बहुत, ये दुनिया के सबसे
छोटा
बिगड़े.
है ना, स्टिल अ पपी.
नहीं, he 6.
ओह, छोटा लगा. हाँ.
One is 3.
ओह,
बादाम.
3. ये तो हाँ. Look at him, so gentle eyes.
Look at his nose. He's such a pretty nose. Pretty
Yes,
nose.
I know.
And थोड़ा messy है.
कोई नहीं,
This
कोई.
is my daughter over here, Kishmish.
किशमिश कहाँ है?
हाँ,
ओ,
काफी
देर.
देरी लगेगी.
सो रहे हैं ना, रात हो गई है, कहेगी मम्मा मुझे उठा. Oh my God, Manvi. They are so blessed to have you. All I can say is that.
I'm everything because of them. They're the first two indies that came into my life and
Oh,
changed my thinking. So I
yeah.
owe it to them.
नहीं, आई वाज टॉकिंग टू माय सिस्टर, शी इज इन हिमाचल में रहती है वो, तो शी सेड ओ ओके आई विल चेक हर दिस थिंग इंस्टा नो, बट शी सेड यू हैव रीच्ड अ सब्लिमिनल आप ऊपर उसमें चले गए हैं, यू आर नॉट इन आवर रेगुलर वर्ल्डली जोन, आई विल से, बिकॉज यू
That's so
स्पेशल
sweet.
पावर टू डू
हाँ,
व्हाट यू
my
डूइंग।
ना 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 लड़ाई नहीं करनी। माय
हाँ
ब्रदर से द सेम थिंग, कभी
हाँ
से तू ह्यूमन है या नहीं है, कभी कभी तुम्हारे घर में पैदा कैसे हुई है।
हाँ। नहीं नहीं, थैंक यू मानवी, गेट सम रेस्ट नाउ एंड या,
जी जी,
थैंक
थैंक यू सो मच।
यू, ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर।
बाय,
बाय।
थैंक यू।